morning, teacher.
Morning. While I'll make you a co-host. All right. How many of you have actually done the exam, RC round 2? Who all did it? Khushnama did it. What about the remaining? Guys, I'm telling you, मैं fail करने वाली हूँ सबको. अगर हम test नहीं देंगे, then automatically fail हो जाएंगे. So it's very very important. I'm not gonna call you again. जैसे last time मैंने हर student को call करके बोला था, I will not do it. You guys know आपको exam देना है, right? ज़ैनब, फैजल, पता है हमें एग्जाम देना है.
टीचर पर वो हो ही नहीं रहा है.
कैसे नहीं हो रहा है? सबने दिया सेम लिंक यूज करके, आपका क्यों नहीं होगा ज़ैनब?
वो वैसे ही बता रहा है जैसे मैंने आपको फोटो क्लिक करके भेजा था.
और मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. क्या आपने कहीं और जाके ट्राई किया करने का?
टीचर फिर मम्मी ने वाईफाई भी लगवाया अभी, तभी भी नहीं हुआ है. हो रहा, अब भी हम लोग ने चेक किया, अब भी लगा के गए अंकल.
बाकी वीडियो प्ले हो रहा है?
हाँ.
फैजल इज सेइंग नहीं हो रहा है.
हो रहा है, तूने बताई थी क्या?
फैजल प्रॉपर्ली विल टॉक, आराम से, रिस्पेक्ट से. Alright, we'll discuss this after. You guys give me a call after this meeting. Hi everyone.
Not everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. We'll start in 2 minutes. I'll wait for everyone to join in.
Yeah, Misbah, nice to see you, but I am very sad you don't attend my class. For your sake, we changed the timing also. Misbah, you know na, why did we change our time? So that you can attend. But I don't see you at all. Why? What happened, Misbah?
मेरे पापा रात को चार्जिंग खत्म कर देते.
पापा करते खत्म?
वो रात को देखते हैं ना मोबाइल.
तो उसके बाद उनको बोला करो ना कि पापा आप देखने के बाद में उसको चार्ज पे लगा दिया करो.
तो नहीं लगाते.
तो आप सुबह उठ के आप लगा लो ना. सुबह उठ के लगाओ उसको चार्ज पे. 9 to 10 आप अटेंड करते हो ना. उसके बाद 10
मम्मी जब चार्ज पे लगाते तो कम ही चार्ज होता है.
कम ही चार्ज होता है. कोई बात नहीं. 10 to 10:30 30 मिनट्स में थोड़ा तो चार्ज होगा ना मिसबा. 10 o'clock I finish my class. 9 to 10 you come. हाफ एन आवर में थोड़ा सा चार्ज होगा, चल जाएगा. हाफ एन आवर 10:30 to 11 हो जाएगा.
रिया का प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, चार्जिंग खत्म हो जाती है.
सो क्या आपके चार्जिंग पे लगा के नहीं अटेंड कर सकते हो? उसके पास ही बैठ जाओ.
मम्मी मना करते, बोलते कि मोबाइल फुल ही रहेगा.
ओके.
मिसबा, मोबाइल ऐसा नहीं खराब हो जाता है. रात भर ऑन करने से वो उसका बैटरी खराब हो जाता है. लेकिन अगर आप यूज करते वक्त हमारा सब मोबाइल वो चार्ज ही लेता है. हम निकालते नहीं है. जब हम काम करते हैं ना तो कुछ नहीं होगा. मम्मी को बोल दो रात भर नहीं ऑन करना. ठीक है.
सारा, प्लीज हम अपने आप को म्यूट पे रख सकते हैं? Can we mute ourselves? Thank you, Sarah. All right, it's 11:01. So we have Ruchi Didi here with us.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Yeah, there.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Miss. Morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Only Arshia is talking. Remaining, what happened? You can talk right now. You can unmute and talk. Good morning, Didi.
Hi. Hello everyone.
Hi. How are you?
Hi.
Hi. So everyone is excited for today's session?
Yes.
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 1 minute. Sarah, did you attempt the test? सारा, आपने टेस्ट दिया? अनम्यूट करो।
Okay, Ruchi needs to drop off, so we can just pile just 1 second. So everyone, Ruchi Didi will be taking English class on Saturday from next week, and only some of you, okay, like for maths extra class, I only ask only few of you to attend. So we will be doing level 1 classes. So I will be asking few of you to attend it, okay? So make sure you're not missing and you're attending, right? Yeah, Ruchi, you want to say something before you drop off?
No, just enjoy today's session. What has Mansi Didi planned for them today?
Yeah, so we're going to just, so last week we were doing Snow White ka story, where,
Yes.
and some of them have rewritten the story. Based on there were some problems that we saw in the story, so they have rewritten it, fixing those problems.
Okay.
So just that.
Okay, bye everyone. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Okay, Payal, you can talk to Sarah now. You're on mute. Payal, you're on mute.
Okay, Sarah, I want to talk to you. Can you unmute yourself, Sarah? Unmute करो. सारा आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
उसको दे रहा है but वो unmute नहीं कर पा रही है. सारा, so at the corner you will see a button जिस पे mic बना होगा, उस पे red color आ रहा होगा, तो उस पे click करोगे ना corner में, तो unmute हो जाएगा. उस पे लिखा होगा unmute, UNMUTE.
कैफ ने भी अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया होगा ना टेस्ट?
Don't know, I haven't checked. यहाँ पे किस किसने आज टेस्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया है? गिव अस थम्स अप. सारा का स्क्रीन अटक गया है. Okay, I did not send it to everyone. So level 5.5 जिसने पास कर लिया उन लोग को नहीं भेजा है. जिसने level 1 नहीं किया था उनको भी नहीं भेजा है. जिन्होंने level 1 अटेम्प्ट किया था सिर्फ उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स को मैंने राउंड 1, सॉरी नॉट level 1, जिन्होंने राउंड 1 किया था उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स को सेंड किया है. And level 5.5 clear करने के बाद, because Teach for India में they don't test for level 6, I showed you level 6 का paper. So level 6 का paper होता है, but हम test नहीं करते, इसलिए I didn't send it to you guys. So जिसने, so I'll tell you round 2 किस किस student को दिया है. Misbah, 1 second. So if suppose मैंने level 2 का paper दिया and मैंने उसको pass किया, pass मतलब 70% से ज़्यादा. Level 2 के paper में round 1 में मेरे को 70% से ज़्यादा आया, तो मैंने आपको राउंड 2.5 का पेपर दिया है राउंड 2 में. बट अगर मैंने राउंड 1 में लेवल 2 का पेपर फेल हो गई, मतलब 70% से कम आया, तो मैंने आपको कौन सा पेपर दिया है राउंड 2 में? आई हैव गिवन यू लेवल 1.5. तो अगर आप पास होते हो तो राउंड 2 में आपको एक ऊपर वाले लेवल का मिलता है, अगर आप फेल होते हो तो आपको एक लेवल नीचे का मिलता है. सो आपको अब पता होगा कौन पास हुआ है कौन फेल हुआ है, राइट? I have noticed one thing. So do I have Sumit and Vinayak here? Sumit है. Sumit and Vinayak. Sumit, can you come online? Can you come off mute? You're already online, but can you come off mute? Sumit?
Yes.
Yes. So Sumit, आपने आरसी का पेपर कैसे किया था? क्या क्वेश्चंस आपने पढ़े थे? नहीं, आपने नहीं पढ़े क्वेश्चंस. Without reading the questions, you just type the answer A B C F G, कुछ भी टाइप कर दिया. ऐसे होता है. आपका लेवल नीचे आ गया है अब. क्या हम ऐसे पेपर करते हैं? लेवल 5 तो आप फेल हो गए हो, अब लेवल 5 पे नहीं हो, अब आपको लेवल 4.5 मिला है. तो क्लास हम इस तरीके से पेपर नहीं करेंगे. Vinayak and Sumit, both of them did it like this. They didn't even read the paper. They didn't even read the question. क्या 2 minutes का पेपर होता है? क्या 5 minutes में करना होता है? 1.5 hours का होता है. After level 2.5, 1.5 hour का पेपर होता है. And level 2.5 से पहले 45 minutes का पेपर होता है. क्यों इतना टाइम देते हैं? जिससे कि you read properly. Last time I told you. Didn't I tell you read at least twice or thrice? मैं आपका पेपर लेती थी अगर आप 10 minutes में कर लेते थे तो. नहीं लेती थी ना? I used to tell you कि read properly, read it again. So if you're gonna do it that way, your level will come down. You don't want that. You have to read it properly. Take your time in reading questions. Take your time in reading answer. You're not gonna get any prize if you finish it fast. But जल्दी करने के चक्कर में अगर आपने ढंग से read नहीं किया, then definitely you will fail. And many of you have failed because हमने ढंग से नहीं पढ़ा है. But हाँ यहाँ पे बहुत सारे students हैं जिनका level increase भी हुआ है. So very very good. Few people जिनका level increase हुआ है is like Misbah का level increase हुआ है. I don't have all the numbers, but there are lots of students जिनका level 5.5 से नीचे भी आया है. So Abhijit, Akshay, Bindya, Harsh, Jaishi and Shreya, your level came down from 5.5. Asif and Sumit, आप लोगों का level 5 से level 4 हो गया है. Misbah and Ambika का level increase हुआ है 0.5 से 2.5 से 3 हो गया है. But Vinayak and Shaurya आपका नीचे चला गया है. So like this, Raj का भी increase हुआ है. Raj and Khushnuma का level increase हुआ है. So very good Raj and Khushnuma, very well done. So now I've given you एक higher level का paper. Do this and let's see. ठीक है? We're only having 2 rounds. So after this, I'm not having any more rounds. So this is the last round. This will finally decide your final RC level. ठीक है? So do it properly, okay? Take your time in doing the test. Don't hurry. Yes, Misbah, now say, what were you saying?
मानसी दीदी, आर्यन का वो नहीं आया.
क्या नहीं आया?
आर्यन का लेवल तो मेरे साथ था ना.
आर्यन का I think Misbah drop हुआ है. So if you see, आर्यन fail हो गया level 2.5 में, तो वो level 2 का पेपर दे रहा है. He didn't clear the paper. So आपका level increase हुआ तो आप दे रहे हो level 3 का. आर्यन fail हुआ तो वो दे रहा है level 2 का round 2 में. So if you see, उसका name round 2 में है, level 2 में है. So as I told, अगर आप पास होते हो तो एक level ऊपर का मिलता है, अगर आप fail होते हो तो एक level नीचे का मिलता है. ठीक है?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Arsia is also raising hand. Yes, Arsia.
Miss, I was telling what about us? We passed or failed?
हाँ, so I mentioned this Arsia. Level 5.5 जिसने clear किया है, उनको मैंने दोबारा से नहीं दिया है पेपर, because इंडिया में सिर्फ level 5.5 तक ही होता है ना. ऊपर हम टेस्ट नहीं करते. level 6 का पेपर है, but हम टेस्ट नहीं करते. If you want to see आप level 6 का कर सकते हो कि नहीं, I can send you separately.
Okay.
Ping me later if you want level 6 ka paper. I'll find it and I'll send it to you. Remember once I got even level 9 ka paper in class and none of you were able to solve it. So I can give you level 6 and we can test ki kaun sa aap kis level pe ho. theek hai? We can do it separately. Let me know if you want that. But in Teach for India we test only till level 5.5. So level 5.5 का मतलब क्या होता है? It means you will be able to read and understand 10th में जो board का paper आएगा, that you will be able to read and understand. ठीक है?
Okay.
All right. While you were talking to Sarah, I can see her moving.
Yeah, she is not able to unmute herself, I feel. Because I phoned at 10 o'clock also. I think someone picked up. Said I'll go home and.
Achha.
What time I phoned just let me see. 10:15 I had phoned. So.
All right. I can show Sarah how to unmute. Wait, just 1 second. I'm joining from my phone so that I can show you. Okay.
Sarah.
Yeah, Sarah, now see. This button you can see over here. अगर मैं इसको click करूँगी.
Now whenever I speak, wait. Yeah. Now whenever I speak in my phone, you can hear it.
That echo was happening because I was connected from my laptop and phone together. Yes. All right. Sarah, you wanna try? Click that button. Click करो. हाँ, हो गया. Very good.
अच्छा, आप बता दो, अभी बात कर सकते हो.
Yes.
Talk. Yeah. Did you attempt that test paper?
No.
Why?
Teacher don't please.
What?
Chaniwa.
क्या नहीं हुआ? सारा वीडियो बंद करो. देयर इज वीडियो का भी बटन होगा. वीडियो बंद करो. बहुत लैग हो रहा है. इंटरनेट कैपेसिटी इतना नहीं है. वीडियो बंद करके बात करो. देखो वीडियो का भी बटन होगा उसमें. हाँ, वेरी गुड. अभी बात करो. अभी बोलो.
टीचर मैंने पूरा कर लिया तो मगर आपके पास गया नहीं.
सबमिट पे क्लिक किया था. SUBMIT.
नहीं.
हाँ, तो सबमिट पे क्लिक करोगे तभी मेरे पास आएगा. अगर आप सबमिट पे नहीं क्लिक करोगे ना तो नहीं आएगा. तो दोबारा से कर देना, कोई बात नहीं, बट सबमिट पे क्लिक करना. जब आप सबमिट करते हो, सबमिट मतलब सबमिट करना. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं सबमिट को?
पूरा भेजना. जमा करना.
हाँ, जमा करना, भेजना. करेक्ट. तो सबमिट पे क्लिक करोगे तभी आएगा ना मेरे पास. ठीक है. दिस इज फॉर एवरीवन. ओके, थैंक यू सारा. नाउ यू कैन म्यूट योरसेल्फ. म्यूट कर लो और वीडियो ऑन कर लो. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द मीटिंग. रेडी? So we have a very fun meeting planned today as well. Let me share my screen. Phonics song याद है किसी को? You used to do it in lower classes. All right, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen, Misbah? Very good. Thank you, Payal. Thank you, Misbah. Okay, welcome to the weekly check-in call, everybody. Let's start with meditation. Come on. Sit.
जो सॉन्ग बजाओगे.
फैजल, रूल क्या ब्रेक किया अभी हमने? We spoke without raising our virtual hand and without me calling on you. I will play the song, but next time say we will remember. All right, everyone sit with your eyes shut. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale at the count of 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Think of that eyes on your throat. And once you're ready, you can open your eyes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning.
Good morning, Cap.
Good
Why
morning,
were we
teacher.
not doing it? Now, why are we pretending? Okay. So whoever did it, how are you feeling? How are you feeling if you did the meditation before? How are you feeling? And after the meditation, how are you feeling? Is there any change for you? Muskan is raising hand. Yes, Muskan.
मिस मैं 1 मिनट के लिए लीव हो सकती हूँ मीटिंग से?
Sure. Jayashree, you wanna share?
Yes,
Yeah.
I am feeling fresh.
You're feeling fresh. Thank you. Arsia, can you tell us?
First I was feeling sleepy, but after doing the meditation, now I can sleep properly.
Now you
I'm
can see
feeling very
properly.
fresh.
You're feeling very fresh. Thank you so much, Arsia. Abhishek is also raising hand. Yes, Abhishek.
Happy.
Happy. You're feeling happy after meditating. Yeah. Yes, Misbah.
I am feeling excited.
You're feeling excited. Wonderful. So since you are all sharing your feeling, this brings me to the second part of our call today, our meeting today. So the next thing that we are going to do is, can anyone share what can we do? Any guesses? What are we going to do? I gave you a hint. It's related to what we were doing just now. Yes, Arsia.
Phonics song?
No. Ria, Krishnama, you can unmute and say, come on. You can unmute and tell me. I'm not saying any names. You can unmute. If you know, you can unmute.
Feelings.
Yeah, correct. We will be doing sharing. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So we will be sharing 3 things and we'll be playing a game, share and tag. So I will share and then I will tag someone. Tagging means what? I will say their name and they have to then share. So we are sharing 3 things. We are sharing our feelings. We are sharing what are we grateful for, and you will be sharing your goal. Your goal for today? No, not your goal for today. You will be sharing your goal for the coming week. That is जो next पूरा week है, पूरे week का goal आपको share करना है. ठीक है? What can you do in the entire week? All right. So I will start with sharing about myself, and then I would tag someone, and I'll tag the person who's not paying attention. Okay. So I'm feeling nice today. I'm feeling grateful for this meeting that so many of you decided to join today. And my goal for the coming week is that I will conduct all the assessments. We have conducted 2 assessments, maths and RC. So we will also conduct a science and SST assessments. And then I will share all the reports with you. So that's my goal for the next week. Now I'm tagging Faisal. Faisal. Okay, Faisal को तो absent मिल रहा है आज. वो सुन ही नहीं रहा है मीटिंग में क्या हो रहा है. Faisal. Yes, Faisal. क्या हो रहा है? Your turn to share. Come on, otherwise I'll mark you absent. अगर आप मीटिंग ज्वाइन करके इधर उधर बात करोगे तो. Come on, share.
I feel happy.
You feel happy? Okay, what are you grateful for?
Join the class in. I have friends in video.
Oh, you see with your friends on video. Okay, and you are happy. You're grateful for that you are able to join the class. And what is your goal for the next week, Faisal? What do you want to do in the next week that you are not able to do right now?
Masti. And music in rap.
Masti and music in what?
Rap song.
Okay, so you want to practice a rap song. You want to write it or you want to sing it?
Singing.
Singing. ठीक है. Next Saturday weekly check-in में आप हम सबको rap song सुनाने वाले हो. You're gonna sing it for us. If that's your goal, then let's make it ना. Let's do something big out of it. Otherwise, goal रखने का क्या point है? Yes? Agreed? So next Saturday, you prepare. You have 1 week to prepare your rap song, practice, and then you will perform in front of everyone. Okay? Now tag someone, Faisal, who will share next.
Raj.
Raj. Okay. Yes, Raj, share.
My goal for this week is I wake up early at morning because मैं जल्दी उठता नहीं आके नहीं.
Okay. What's your feeling and what are you feeling grateful for?
Excited because we are going village in November
Okay.
and I'm grateful for my family.
Okay. Tag someone. Come on. Everyone else, I'm gonna ask only 3 more tagging. So everyone else write in the chat window. Come on. जो भी chat window में नहीं लिखेगा, उसको share करना पड़ेगा. So everyone go to the chat window and write. And Raj tag someone.
It's a fire miss.
Okay. Payal, you're on mute.
I want to see you. Okay, like every Saturday, I'm very happy today also because like we get to talk to one another. Like otherwise, other days we just talk about studies only. Today we are just talking general feelings. So it's very nice to see, and I get to see many more students which I don't see otherwise in my class, like Miss Ba and today I saw Sarah. I'm very happy. Sakshi also I don't see very often. So Saturdays I wait so that I get to see many more students. So and then grateful. Yeah, of course, grateful. Every day I'm grateful. Today also I'm grateful to God. Every day morning when I pray to God, I say thank you. So that I'm getting chance to talk, teach and touch your heart. Every day I'm getting this chance and I feel I continue with this. And goal is feel like whatever I have decided for this coming week, I'm able to finish it. Like I want to finish history topics because 1 week after that we are going to have evaluation assessment. So that I wish that more students attend that. You are clear with your concept, whatever we are going to do, so you don't struggle with your assessment. Very, very important. So I want that more, all of you plus many more students join next week. Okay, and become very serious about it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Payal, you need to tag someone.
Okay, Jayashree.
Yes, miss.
You can share.
I am sad because yesterday my Masi's girl was come. She went yesterday. She played with me and she went yesterday. I'm feeling sad. I'm grateful for my family and this nature. And my goal for next week is to attend online classes every day without being late.
Very good, very good. So I see here Riya is right. Riya says why very few people for RC because Riya very less people wrote round 1. Khushnuma says I'm feeling happy because I passed my RC round 1 paper and she's feeling grateful for her family friends and her goal for today is to have fun. Khushnuma, for your next week also, right? Kev says he's feeling sad. Kev, why are you feeling sad today? What happened? You want to share, Kev, with us? Why are you feeling sad? If you share your feelings, if you share your sad feelings, they decrease a bit. And if you share your happy feelings, they increase. Okay, Kef doesn't want to share. Kef, if you want, you can write on the chat window. Jayashree wrote she's feeling sad, but she shared also. Jayashree, we are there for you. You can, play with us on WhatsApp maybe. Kushnuma wrote she's feeling happy. Okay, I think this I've already read. Amrita and Raj wrote they're feeling better. Shivani wrote she's feeling happy. Sumit wrote he's feeling happy because his friends and he are playing games. गोल का स्पेलिंग होता है GOAL, गोल. अभी आपने लिखा है GOLE, गोले. गोले, गोले इज GOLE. गोल क्या होता है? गोल होता है GOAL. Okay, goal for Sumit is he'll do homework. Shivani wrote she's grateful for her family and friends. Abhishek wrote he's feeling happy. And जो अभिषेक ने emoji share किया था वो बस question mark की तरह आ रहा है. So I can't see which emoji it actually is. It's showing as question mark. Abhishek Yadav wrote he's feeling happy. Kef doesn't want to share. Okay. Muskan wrote she's feeling very happy. Rahul and Abhijit में से one of them is feeling very happy. I don't know who that is. Kushnama said her goal for today is to come on time in lecture for the next week. Okay. Now Kev says he's feeling now happy. Okay, you can feel both the emotions together. You can be sad about something, but you can also be happy. Miss Ba, I'll give you a chance. Just wait. Let me finish. Okay. Ria says she's feeling happy because she cleared RC round 1. Yes, Ria, you did. I'll send you level 6. Shreya wrote she's feeling happy because she also cleared round 1. So whoever cleared RC 5.5 round, I'm sending you RC level 6 paper. Let's see if you are able to clear it. Okay. I'll send it after the class.
Okay.
I'll find it and I'll send it. Okay. Ria is like she's grateful that she's safe. Okay, Shashwat, I'm not sending it to you. You don't have to do it. Shashwat wrote he's feeling happy because he doesn't have to give tests. So Shashwat also cleared RC 5.5 round. But okay, Shashwat, if you don't want to write it, I will not send it to you. You don't have to. Whoever wants to do level 6, I will send you. Okay. Zainab and Faisal are happy. Bindya is feeling sad because she didn't pass the round. Okay. So Bindya, the only way to do is to read a lot. I have already sent so many books on your WhatsApp. Start reading. If you want more books, ask me. I will send you. Okay. So the only way to increase your level in English is to read more. Muskan wrote today, I don't know, like the remaining part of the sentence. Ria wrote her goal is to learn how to ride a cycle. Okay. Very nice. You will have a lot of fun, Ria. Misbah, share. Misbah can maybe teach you. Misbah loves riding his cycle. Misbah, share, please.
Riya Kumari इन्होंने ना.
Yeah.
Okay, today she got her mobile prepared.
Yes, seems like that. Because Rahul and Abhijit are attending together and Riya is attending separately. So I think she did.
I am feeling so excited for today's award and I am also excited for my level
Level
3 and my goal is today I will practice so hard in study.
Okay. We will work hard today. Very good. Which subject?
So many.
नहीं, no so many. Be very specific. जब तक हम goals में specific नहीं होते ना, हम कुछ कर नहीं पाते. So tell me which subject exactly what?
Maths.
Okay, maths में कौन सा topic? कल आपका rational number का test है, पायल मिस लेंगी. So you can practice for rational numbers. जो भी उन्होंने homework दिया था, practice all of that. Practice from textbook also. This is for everyone. हाँ, on Sunday it's happening.
Sunday?
Yeah. Today we didn't have, so tomorrow we can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Weekly test नहीं हुआ ना, सिर्फ आपके exams हुए, but weekly test नहीं हुआ. So that's why we're doing it tomorrow. जिससे कि आज RC का chance मिल जाए and tomorrow you can do. So you can practice for rational numbers. Now look, Miss, it's specific. Now you can actually do it. Ria wrote, she bought a cycle from Shivam. Okay, wonderful, Ria. All right, send us a picture of
Didi,
the
I am
cycle.
grateful for my level 3.
Oh, you're grateful that your level increased. I am also very grateful for that, Misbah. Thank you, Miss Khan. I will definitely eat it. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. Now I see some of you sleeping. So if we are sleeping, we're gonna do a fun exercise. We're gonna not dance today because we danced in the last class. What we are doing is we are singing. Okay. So I'll play a song, or all of you have to sing with the song. Now, any suggestions for a good song? Good song, okay? I don't want कैसा भी song, a good song. जिसमें कोई भी गंदे words नहीं होने चाहिए. No abusing words, nothing about fighting and all. A good song. Yes, Faisal. बताओ. No, I'm not playing Mia Bhai. I don't like that song. It has some questionable words. Yes, Ria, tell me.
Teacher, the song we do in that KER class.
Oh, wonderful. Yes, we are going to do that song. Yes. Thank you so much for the suggestion. Yeah. We're going to do that song. Everyone knows, I think, that song, KER wala. Let me find it for you and then we can do it.
Faisal, where is Zainab? हाँ.
All right, I'm sharing my screen. You guys all can unmute and then we can sing together. I don't know which is the original one.
बच्चा पार्टी है वहाँ की.
Teacher, I think the first one. In this. Yes.
This one? हाँ, correct.
No.
नीचे लिखा है.
Okay, you can do.
We are living in a world that needs to change. We have found our voice. We know we have a choice. Our little light is
Shine bright.
Very good. I can see few of you singing. Everyone, you can sing very loudly. Unmute yourself and read. It's gonna be written down here. Unmute and read, okay?
We are living in a world that needs to change. We have found our voice. We know we have a choice. Our little light is shining bright. We're all made of stars, and the future's ours. Just watch us shine. We may be small, but hear us roar. We can change the world. Now watch us soar. We know what we need. It's time for us to lead. We are the ones we are waiting for. We can put our broken world back together. We're diamonds in the rough. We can be wise and tough. You try to bury us, but we are safe. We won't be shy or scared. We'll arrive prepared. Just watch us shine, baby, small, but hear us roar. We can change
I see that all of us have forgotten the song. किसी को कुछ याद नहीं है. So I'll just teach you 4 lines today. We are only gonna sing 4 lines and all of us together. ठीक है? किसी को सॉन्ग याद नहीं है. सबने नोटबुक्स में लिखा था, याद किया था, प्रैक्टिस किया था. अब सब भूल गए हैं. Right?
Teacher, 1 year is happened. We don't practice it.
1 year, yeah, almost not 1 year. We used to practice in January, Feb. So almost 6-7 months. It's okay. We'll do 1 line by line. Okay, only starting ka 4 lines we'll do. But you all have to repeat with me.
We are living in a world that needs to change.
We are living in a world that needs to change.
We are living in a world that needs to change.
Yeah, we are living in a world that needs to change.
We are living in a world that needs to change.
Very good.
We have found our voice.
We have found our voice. We have found our voice. Come on, repeat. We have found our voice.
We have found our voice.
We know we have a choice.
We know we have a choice.
We have a choice. Our little light is shining.
Our little light is shining bright.
Our little light is shining bright.
We're all made
We are all made of stars.
We are all made of stars.
of stars. In the future,
And the future is ours.
Future is ours.
Come on, everyone. Why are we sleeping? And the future is ours.
And the future is ours.
just watch us shine. We may be
Just watch us shine.
Just watch us shine.
We may be small,
We may be small,
but hear us roar.
but here
We can change the world.
we can
and hear us roar. We can change the world. Now watch us soar.
We can change the world. Now watch us soar. That's it. Okay, one last time I'm playing the song. And everyone has to sing. Whoever is not singing does not get any points in extracurricular. Everyone else gets points in extracurricular. People who are not singing and getting 0. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
We are living in a world that needs to change. We have found our voice. We know we have a choice. Our little light is shining bright. We're made of stars. And the future is ours. Just watch us shine. We may be small, but hear us roar. We can change the world and watch us soar.
All right. This was a fail. Hardly any of us were doing it. Everyone put yourself on mute now. I have a better idea. Come on, everyone on mute. Yes. Yes, Muskan, what happened? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this video to you after the class. After that, you guys can go on it and practice the first part. Jitna aaj humne practice kiya na, just practice that much. Then what we're going to do, I'll tell you later. But first, practice. Okay, so let's move on. So it's the part when we are gonna say our story. So I know specifically about Arsia. So Arsia has rewritten Snow White story. Arsia, would you like to share the story with us?
Yes, miss.
Come on, read. Everyone listen closely to her story, what she has rewritten.
The Snow White. Once upon a time, there was a queen. She was sitting near her window, and it was winter time, and she was looking out to the window, and she picked, she was sewing her sweater, and she picked her finger into the needle, and 2 drops of blood fall on the snowflakes, and she wished, my child should be like as snow, and snow white as snow, and lips, and her face should be red like blood, and hair should be like black as branch of tree. When she have child, when the child was of only 5 years old, her mother died, and his father was king, so he put some workers to take care of her child, and after that his child grew in the kingdom. There was woman, she liked that no one is beautiful in the world, and she is only beautiful in the world. So when Snow White go out to see the kingdom, so the lady look at Snow White, then tell that she go to his father also has died, so that woman, only Snow White take cares of the kingdom, so that woman go in a worker's face, so she gave her a gift like to eat a sweet chocolate. So when she eat it, she felt like she need to go on the bed and sleep. So she went to sleep. Then he sleep as like he sleep. His friend, the 7 dwarfs, he come to the castle and tell what happened to Snow White. He asked everyone where, but no one knows what happened. So one day, a king of other kingdom came to the Snow White's kingdom, and he tell that Snow White, what happened to the queen. So the dwarfs say, I don't know. So then he tell that I know a magic. So can you tell me something about Snow White? So I can do the magic and get up her wake. So they tell something that she ate the chocolate. Then after that she get on the bed and sleep as like she was. So the prince do some magic. So then the Snow White get up. So the Snow White tells that thank you so much for saving me. And then the prince and the Snow White were like best friend, and they went away from that kingdom, and that kingdom's king was the dwarfs. That was my story. Bye. Thank you, Miss.
Wonderful, Arsia. I saw that you tried to fix a lot of elements. First one, I think the first change that you made there was that the king did not remarry. Instead, he appointed few workers to take care of Snow White, right? So in the earlier story, he married so that that woman can take care, but now you have changed that. The other part I saw was after the king died, Snow White is ruling the kingdom. So that's a wonderful addition. And you still have the queen in the story, and she again tries to kill, but instead of an apple, she's using chocolate. That's something I really like. You can really relate to it. So wonderful. And then when another king from another kingdom has come, so here you are writing that he did not kiss her to wake her up because Snow White had not given consent. Instead, he did some magic because it's a fairy tale. Magic can happen, yes. And then you didn't write that they fell in love just because he woke her up, but they became best friends. So I really, really like it. And then you, at the end, you said they went somewhere else, and the drops became the they became the rulers of the kingdom. So wonderful, Arsia. You tried to fix few like problems in the story, and I really like it. Thank you so much, Arsia, for doing it, for sharing the story. Khushnuma wrote her book is at her Mausi's house, so she'll share it on Monday. Okay. So Ria is saying something. Yes, Ria, you wanna say? Kef, you know you have to keep yourself on mute. Thank you. Yeah. Ria?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. You were saying something?
Miss, I have think a story. It's different of Snow White, but something is same. So I'll send you tomorrow.
Okay, Ria. That is what you had to do. You had to rewrite Snow White's story after changing few things in that story. Snow White ka story mein change karke, that's what you had to do. Wonderful. Ria, you send me later. Okay. Now we are coming to the close of today's check-in call. What is the last thing we are gonna do? The thing that you have been waiting for.
Award.
Award. Yes, correct. Awards. That's what we're going to do. Awards. Now there's a one problem, everyone. So the app that I use to generate your certificate. So certificate generate karne ke liye I use an app. That app is not working. Sometimes it happens, right? That apps don't work. So it was not working. So I could not generate the certificate. I have just written down the names. Once that app starts working again, I will send you your certificates on school group. Okay, in 2-3 days. I think वो fix हो जाना चाहिए issue. So I'll send you then. Okay.
Miss,
Yes,
Miss,
Asya.
I was telling we will got that certificate when school get open.
No, you will not get a physical certificate. You will get only e-certificate that we are sharing right now.
Oh.
But that is also valid. You always don't need physical certificate. E-certificate is also valid. Okay. All right. So the first category of awards is punctuality awards. And these are the winners of this week's. Okay, Payal, can you take over? I really need to go. I'll be back in a minute. Can you take over, please?
Miss, unmute.
Okay, I don't know whether I've got the right to change the slide, but it was shared by Mansi Didi's screen, so I don't think I can change the slide, but we can discuss about the punctuality. So these are the students, they were punctual, okay? Before punctual in both the classes. It's not only my class, but Mansi Didi's class also. So first one is Abhishek Yadav from D section, Amrita Gupta, Aryan Rathod. Aryan is there. I can't see him. Jayashree, Raj Gupta, and Sashwat. Okay.
तो मैंने क्या किया?
आप टाइम पे आए, आपको अवार्ड मिल रहा है.
मैंने सोचा आप मेरे को वापस उस दिन की तरह रोक रहे हो.
क्या 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 फिर से कहो.
मैंने सोचा आप उस दिन की तरह वापस सबको छोड़ के मेरे को रोकोगी.
आपको इसके लिए ध्यान देना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है. आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. सही है. आपका नाम अभी अवार्ड लिस्ट में आया है, तो आपको कंटिन्यू करना है. ओके.
हाँ टीचर, मेरा भी आएगा.
कौन?
फैजल.
फैजल, मेरे लिस्ट में आप हर रोज टाइम पे नहीं थे. ओके. आपको हर रोज 5 दिन दोनों सेक्शन में टाइम पे आना चाहिए. टाइम पंक्चुअलिटी पता है. अगर मेरा क्लास 10:30 का है, 10:30 का है, तो बाय 10:30 आपको क्लास में एंट्री करना है. ओके, समझ गए आप. और दोनों क्लास, मानसी दीदी का क्लास 9 o'clock का है और मेरे माय क्लास इज एट 10:30. सो बोथ द क्लास ऑन पंक्चुअल. ऐसा नहीं कि आप 10-15 मिनट बाद में आ जाओ, आपका नाम नहीं लिखा. आप आओगे ठीक है, बेस्ट है, बट punctuality is very, very important. आप Kushnama, you also come early, but some of the days you have not come early. Okay, I can't see on 21st. आपका entry नहीं है. You have not come. That day you were absent also, I feel. And 23rd का है. All other days you were on time, but on one day you were absent. Kushnama, where is she? Kushnama, one day you were absent, na? एक दिन absent थे आप.
No.
हाँ?
No.
Monday?
No.
मेरे क्लास में एंट्री नहीं है आपका. 21st का. 21st का एंट्री नहीं है. Okay. Mansi, I was not able to go to the next slide. Acha, Kushnama says she attended all the class on time, but in my list, 21st ka entry, she doesn't. I don't have her entry, but she says
maybe she came late. आपने ले लिया होगा attendance, उसके बाद में she might have joined.
Because generally I write down as a punctuality me before the time. Later on, also maybe she was absent that day. Other day, of course, she was on time before the time. So keep it up, Kushnama. Maybe next week your name will come. So don't miss it out. Don't feel bad. Okay, continue with this. And don't remain absent. And both the class, Mansi Didi's class as well as my class. Punctuality, we are counting on both the class together. Okay, Mansi Didi, you can continue.
Okay. So participation awards. File? You
Yeah.
say?
You can continue, no problem.
Okay. So we have Amrita, Arsia, Aryan, Bindya, Kushnuma, Misbah, Raj, and Shreya. So these are the students who have been participating, but I have complaints about few students because they participate either in Payal Mrs. class or only in my class. They don't participate in the other class. For example, Misbah is coming from 9 to 10, but he's not going in 10:30 to 11:30 class. So that's one problem. Then Amrita, she didn't participate in my class this week. I don't know, Payal, did she participate in your class if she was there in your list? So that's why the name's there. But everyone next week say if you're participating in only one class, you will not get the award. You have to participate in both the classes. Okay. So wonderful. Very, very good to these students. They have participated. Wonderful. Now comes the star performer. Okay, Arsia is raising hand. Yes, Arsia, what happened?
Miss, next week when you give the award, can you send me the photo of the certificate?
I will be
take
sending.
screenshot, but it was error.
Okay, no. So वो certificate है. I will send the PDF में. ठीक है? You can use PDF. Right now, everyone is getting their certificates in PDF form only. So this week's also I will send. Okay, in PDF only, but.
Okay.
Once that app starts working, I will send it. Maybe today I'll check evening mein. Tomorrow I'll check. Okay, now we have Star Performer Awards in different categories. Payal, please take over. I really need to go again. I'm so sorry. Payal, you are on mute.
Abhishek Yadav from D section. You are getting awards for academics. Star Performer Award for academics. Can you hear me, Abhishek?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
किस चीज के लिए मिल रहा है आपको?
I don't know.
For doing homework. You're
Yes.
getting it for doing homework every day. It's not correct that you submit everything is not right, but at least you are doing it. Yes,
there are two Abhishek Yadav. He has
so
logged
this is
in two
for D section. This is for D section. I think Abhishek got it.
Okay. Next one is Amrita. Amrita, you're getting for extracurricular activities.
Amrita and Raj are getting for the same event.
Okay, both are there. Okay.
This week they participated in Learning Loop class. So it was a global event. There were fellows like me, teachers like me from all over the world in that. So we had 1 hour of conversation, people from India, Bangladesh, Poland, US. So from everywhere, and Amrita and Raj had shared very wonderfully. So that's why they're getting the award.
Okay. You can continue, Mansi.
Okay. So Arsia, you're getting it for rewriting the Snow White ka story. So that was wonderful. That's why you're getting star performer for this week. And you had participated very, very beautifully in the class, in all our English class, you and Misbah. But Misbah, you did not rewrite the story. That's why I did not give you the award. Aryan, you are getting it for academics. You are coming for the class. You are submitting homework, right? Payal, you want to say something about Aryan? You're on mute.
He's not there. He has not attended today's class.
Acha, he's not here. Correct. He's, I think, not here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bindya is getting award because yesterday she completed her geography homework perfectly. So she sent me her homework. After sending, she asked me. So I told her uski drawing अच्छी है, but उसमें labeling का problem है. So she labeled it correctly and sent it to me again. After that, one more homework I gave yesterday in geography only. The homework was you had to find out कि temperature जब increase होता है, then why does air pressure reduces? Air pressure decrease क्यों होता है? So Bindya found the answer and she sent it to me. So that's why Bindya is getting the award for completing homework. Wonderful, Bindya. Really appreciate it. So it's not only कि हमने एक बार कर दिया homework. It's not just that. So after I give you feedback, you redo it and send it to me. अब दोबारा से उसको सही करके आप मुझे भेज रहे हो. That is important. That is what is important. So Bindya did that yesterday. Wonderful. And Raj, as I said earlier, he attended with Amrita. So he's getting for extracurriculars. So keep it up, everyone. Wonderful. We are noting everything down. Yes, Payal.
Yeah, I want to appreciate Zainab and Faisal also because they are very, very regular in their attendance. Zainab and Faisal, are you listening? Are you listening? Both of you? Where is Zainab?
Yes.
Okay. Only thing. Hello.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
No problem. No problem. Where are they? Zainab. Okay. मुझे दोनों को देखना है. I'm very happy आप लोग morning class में भी attend करते हो. Mansi दीदी, even in your class they are regular attendance, right?
Yes, and also in the extra classes.
Extra class, our दोनों का class, we are very happy. Only one more thing we want from you, both of you, okay? Good participation and punctuality. And homework आप लोग नहीं भेज रहे हो. आप लोगों को homework भी भेजना है, right? Yesterday I got, but I want every day. Okay? So I want your, I mean, they should also get some award, but you have to.
I wrote their names, so you can see last week.
Attending class. Good.
Attending classes regularly, and Zainab ko I have been giving participation also because this week in English class she participated. So Zainab, I will put your name in participation also, and when I send the certificates, I will make sure you are getting participation make certificate because at least in class you participated. Homework nahi kiya, but class mein you shared.
And regular attendance. That's very, very important.
This is for both Faisal and Zainab. They regularly attend every day. Even on jo 8 o'clock class hota hai, extra class, you guys come for that also. So wonderful, wonderful. And now you have your own Wi-Fi, so you will be attending every day. So very happy for that.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah. All right, let's move forward. Value awards. Class, this is the most Vaisa wala category. So before I share the awards that I have, I want you guys to share with us what value you think you showed this week and why. Like tell me a situation in which you showed a value. If you can tell me, then I will give you the value award. I will add your name right now. But you need to tell me. Yes, Arsia, tell me.
What we tell?
Okay, wait Arsia. So, मिसबा आपको बताना है कि आपने इस वीक कौन सा वैल्यू शो किया. Suppose for me, I can say कि मैंने helping किया. I helped. Or maybe I can say कि मैंने collaborate किया with Payal Miss, and we made this presentation today together. So that's our collaboration, right? So we did collaboration. So I showed collaboration का value. So I have to tell the name of the value, and I have to tell कि मैंने कहाँ पे show किया, मैंने क्या किया. For example, मैंने collaborate किया तो मैंने value बताया. मैंने कहाँ पे collaborate किया with Payal Miss to make the presentation. So that's an example. So if you have shown any value, so give us an example. I will give you value award. Yes, Bindya.
Miss, I think I hard work थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा.
Yeah, you worked hard this week. Okay, I agree. Yesterday, so you did definitely geography mein. Can you tell me more? Somewhere else, like, can you tell me what did you do differently? How did you work hard this week compared to the last one?
In geography and math.
And maths. Okay, wonderful. Fine. I'm adding Bindya's name. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that, Bindya. Okay, next person to share, Misbah.
Mansi Didi, I question with you so much.
Okay, so you asked me a lot of questions. So curiosity, can I say?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Misbah also gets. Arsia is raising hand. Yes, Arsia, tell me what value did you show?
I show grit in story writing when you give, and also when my mother gives some work. Sorry, when Payal Miss class notes, I didn't miss.
Okay, so you're saying you showed grit. It was difficult for you to do it, but you tried again and again until you could do it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Miss. In story that was I was thinking and I forgot, and then again think and then forgot, and in final I wrote the all.
Okay, fine. You tried.
Perseverance.
Correct. Perseverance. Correct. Grit is something else. So grit is like it's similar but thoda different. This okay. So Khushnuma is writing a lot on the chat. Okay, wait a second, Khushnuma. So yeah, so it's more of perseverance than grit. Correct. Khushnuma has written. I'm helping to my mother to making food. I'm helping my mother. I'm helping my mother to making food. Itna sara she has written. Okay, Khushnuma, fine. So I will give you for being helpful. Okay. All right. Who's the next person? Jayashree. Yes, Jayashree, tell.
I think I'm doing hard work because after joining my class, I do tuition homework and directly I went to tuition. And after coming, I helped my mother. I washed utensils and then I do school homework.
Okay. Very good. So definitely for hard work, Jayashree. Misbah is also sharing. Okay, Misbah is having a question. Yes, Misbah, tell us.
Mansi Didi, that in extra class you don't take award, extra class award.
You want an award for extra class as well. What
Yes.
award do you want for extra class?
I come na extra class.
Okay, fine. From next week, I'll put it. Whoever is attending all extra classes. So from next week, we will have 3 extra class. One on Tuesday, one on Friday, and one on Saturday. So you need to attend all 3 extra classes. Yes, Payal.
Yes.
We need to tell them from Monday onwards. We are going to have volunteers and we have segregated once upon a time.
Yes. Correct. Yeah. We'll tell that at the end. Any more values that you guys think you showed this week? Anything? अच्छा ठीक है. So values नहीं. Now think about something not so nice that you did this week. I am pretty sure सबने कुछ ना कुछ तो किया होगा जो अच्छा नहीं था. When you did not follow the value. Okay, yes, Misbah.
I not come in classes and I don't do homeworks.
Okay, thank you so much. That takes courage. So Misbah is showing courage right now by admitting. So you are showing value by admitting. You're showing courage. Thank you, Misbah. Okay, Jayashree. Misbah, next time you know what to do next week. Yeah, Jayashree and Arshia, two people are also raising hand. Yes, Jayashree. Jayashree, are you there? Okay, I think a network issue. Arshia, you were raising hand.
Yes, I was not happy because I attend Palmis class only half time for because there is my brother's class is also there at 11. I tell the teacher to change it, so her teacher changed like 11, 11:35, 11, 11:38.
Oh, great.
Wow. Problem solving. So Arshia is doing problem solving. So how she is problem solving? She spoke to her brother's teacher. I have class from 10:30 to 11:30. So can you move your class ka time? So
Great.
very good. So Arshia is showing problem solving skills. Wonderful, Arshia. I really like it. Wonderful. You're doing all good works. Now, everyone. Yes, Bindya, share please. Bindya, share now.
I think I had annotated on Palmis class, and that time Akshay was also with me and he was also annotating.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, Bindya,
Yeah.
thank you very much. I knew it was not you, but your name was appearing on the screen. That's why I had to talk to you. So I know it was not you. So no problem. I know you. Okay.
No, miss, but that time first name was Mai and
Yeah.
then Akshay, so that's why my name was coming on that
Okay, no
only.
problem. You realize your mistake, what you should have not done. You admitting, that's very good. Very nice of you. So next time you will not do, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank
you. Okay. Shreya wrote, she's speaking out of turn in Palmis's class. Okay, thank you so much for admitting your mistakes. This takes courage, everyone. Bindya, Shreya, wonderful. Khushnuma wrote, she's making mistakes while making food sometimes. That's okay, Khushnuma. Koi badi baat nahi hai. I still make it. Last 2 days se whatever I've cooked, मैंने मैगी बनाया था डे बिफोर yesterday and I spoiled it. मैंने बहुत गंदा मैगी बनाया था. Imagine, मैगी में कुछ करना भी नहीं होता है. That's okay. The more you do it, the easier it will get. So it's okay. But thank you, Shreya, Bindya, and Kushnuma for admitting your mistakes. That takes courage. Okay, let me just write everyone's name, then I'll share my screen and then we'll end the class. All right. So sharing my screen. Yes, we can clap for everyone. Virtual claps, everyone. Wonderful examples we have had today when everyone shared their own value story. So Rahul, Riya, Abhijit for collaboration, Amrita and Raj for collaboration. Keep the claps coming. Come on, virtual claps should keep coming. Bindya and Jayashree for hard work, Misbah for curiosity, Arshia for perseverance, Kushnuma for being helpful, Misbah, Kushnuma, Bindya and Shreya for courage, because they showed courage in admitting their mistakes. That takes guts. Thank you so much. Arshia for problem solving. So wonderful, wonderful everyone. I really love all of these things that you showed, all of these things that you did. So always remember, you can, in little things that you do, you can show great strength, you can show great values. Yeah, you don't need a value class to show value, but these little things that you do every day, in that you can show values. Yeah.
Can we add one more for the next week? Like these are our regular students, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
All of you are regular students. So if you all can get one student from next class, next week, who are not attending the class, if you can call them up, okay? If you know those students are not attending at all, so find out what is the problem. Are they okay? You are trying to find out their well-being because they are your friends, right? You should know what is the reason, share in the class. And if you can try to ask them, if you can persuade them to join the class, that would be much, then we will keep note of that also. So your participation in bringing more children enter the class. Yes, Ms. Bhatt, do you want to say something? Yeah, Ms. Bhatt, you want to say something?
Mansi Didi, you don't call me in 11 to 1.
As in, when did I not call you?
11 to 1, you don't call me because अरबियाज टीचर से अगर आप लोग कॉल करोगे ना तो वो वापिस खराब हो जाएगा उसका वो क्लास, वो बंद हो गया था ना, वो हम लोग हट गए थे उसके क्लास से, बार बार सबका कॉल आता था इसलिए.
Okay, so you're asking me not to call you from 11 to 1. Okay,
Yes.
okay, fine. I'll keep that in mind. I will not call you from 11 to 1. Okay, I'll not do that. All right. Thank you for telling me that, Ms. Ba. I will make sure that I don't call you from 11 to 1. Okay. Yes, Khushnuma?
मिस अफीफा के पास मोबाइल नहीं है, इसकी वजह से वो अटेंड नहीं करती है.
But can Afifa attend with you?
I asked, but he's not telling something.
Not telling something matlab?
मैं पूछती तो बोलती है अभी बाद में बताऊंगी, तो कुछ बोलती नहीं है.
Okay, tell her to phone her and tell you can come and attend with me.
I will ask again.
Okay, so from Monday onwards, you tell her to come and join till she gets her phone. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see if she agrees. If she doesn't, it's okay. Okay, at least you tried. So that is important that you tried. Okay. Everyone, whoever showed courage in admitting they didn't do something, next week say, I want you to do that. I'm gonna follow up with you and I'm gonna see. जिसने भी admit किया कि हमारा ये mistake था, I should not be seeing it again. Yes, that's the point of admitting, ना? कि मैंने admit किया.
Homework group we are going to plan.
Yes. One last announcement before we end the meeting is so you saw मैंने सारे homework groups से आप सबको निकाल दिया and I deleted the homework groups. You guys can delete those groups WhatsApp पे जो homework वाले groups है ना, homework and doubt group. We are making new homework and doubt groups because we have new volunteers. We have 5 new volunteers who will be correcting your homework every day and giving you feedback. So I will be making 5 groups this time. Last time say 4 groups there. This time I'm making 5 groups and each person will be there to help you and they will keep giving you feedback. Okay? So the 5 persons that we have is we have Apurva Didi. So few of you ko Apurva Didi used to help. So Apurva Didi is still there. Then we have Rashmi Didi. We have Nishchay Bhaiya. We have what's her name? Rashmi, Yashna, Nishchay, Sajid, and Apurva. Yashna Didi. Okay? So we have 3 Didis and 2 Bhaiyas. So I will be making new homework groups for you all. So you will be submitting your homework from this week on that group. Now there are few things you need to keep in mind. जिस भी subject का homework आप कर रहे हो, right at the top, clearly page के ऊपर लिखो, नहीं तो पता ही नहीं चलता है कौन से subject का homework है. इतने सारे सब्जेक्ट का होमवर्क मिलता है, सब कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, उनको नहीं पता है ना. So make sure you are writing your name and the name of the subject at the top of the page, every page के ऊपर. अगर मेरा मैंने 4 पिक्चर्स भेजा है ग्रुप पे, तो और मैंने 2 सब्जेक्ट का होमवर्क किया है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैथ्स एंड इंग्लिश. सो आई विल राइट 2 पेज मैथ्स है, 2 पेज इंग्लिश है. सो आई विल राइट ऑन टॉप ऑफ फर्स्ट पेज मानसी इंग्लिश, सेकंड पेज पे मानसी इंग्लिश, थर्ड पेज पे मानसी मैथ्स एंड फोर्थ पेज पे मानसी मैथ्स. So all of this I will write at the top of the page and niche I will do the homework and send. ठीक है? Everyone needs to send homework like this. If you are not sending like this, your homework will not be considered. उसको हम consider नहीं करेंगे. 3 questions. Arsia, first go.
Miss, we can delete Payal Miss group also.
Yeah, you can.
And
yes.
Miss, I have that we have 5 bhaiyas, 5 volunteers, so we can give each subject to each one and write on the name.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is you will have access to either one bhaiya or one दीदी. आप सिर्फ एक ही भैया या एक ही दीदी से बात करोगे. मैं हम पूरे 69 जो हम स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन सबको मैं 5 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करूंगी. ठीक है? So for example, Arsia, you might be with निश्चय भैया. तो आपको सिर्फ निश्चय भैया को ही देना है, आपको बाकी सबके बारे में पता नहीं होगा. मैं बस बता रही थी कि कितने न्यू वॉलंटियर्स है. So each student will be reporting to a different volunteer. ठीक है? जो भी आप जिसके भी ग्रुप में होंगे ऊपर नाम लिखा होगा कि कौन है वॉलंटियर. लाइक लास्ट टाइम लिखा था पूर्वा, नुपुर, रिया, मानसी, ऐसे करके लिखा था डाउट एंड होमवर्क ग्रुप के आगे. So those people were helping you with your homework. So this time I will write at the top also कि आप किसको भेज रहे हो होमवर्क, और आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट का उन्हीं को भेजना है, उसी ग्रुप में डालना है. आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही ग्रुप होगा, आपके पास 5 ग्रुप्स नहीं होंगे. ठीक है? You will have only one homework and doubt group.
I think we have all the 5. That's why I said.
हाँ, I know. Sorry, मैंने ढंग से explain नहीं किया. You will have only one homework and doubt group, तो problem नहीं होगा. You can delete all the other homework and doubt group. Abhishek, raise your virtual hand. I'm not giving you a chance. There are people on the call who are raising their virtual hand. You also raise your virtual hand. I'll ask you. Yes, Khushnuma.
Miss, can you make timetable of regular subject?
Khushnuma, that's difficult to make because I don't know what subject I'm teaching. So if it is my class, I will tell you one day in advance. And I think Payal Miss can also tell you one day in advance हम next day कौन सा पढ़ेंगे. But I can't make a timetable because वो change होता रहता है. So I will be taking English, Science and Geography. Payal Miss will be taking Maths, History, Civics. Hindi and Marathi volunteers will be taking. And जो आपका extra class होता है, Tuesday and Friday को Maths का होगा, Saturday को English का होगा. उसके अलावा फिक्स नहीं है. ठीक है? तो मैं एक रफ टाइम टेबल बना के दे दूंगी. But actual class कौन सा है? That I can only tell one day before. Clear? Any more questions? All right, thank you so much. Okay, so जिसके पास भी questions है, you guys stay back. जिसके पास question नहीं है, you can leave the meeting. I know बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा call हो गया है. So bye everyone. Whoever has questions, stay back. Everyone else can leave. Bye. I'll see you on Monday. Yes, Zainab and Faisal, what's your question?
Teacher, which time Saturday extra class was going?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 to 10:30 extra class, 11 to 12 हमारा weekly check-in call. ठीक है? चलेगा ना 10 o'clock?
Yes. And Google Form was not.
Teacher, अब कोई meeting नहीं है.
10 minutes. I will call you in 10 minutes and then we'll talk. ठीक है? Okay. Yes. Abhishek, raise your virtual hand. I will not repeat it again. Raise your virtual hand. You know how to do it. Yes, Ms. Bask.
Mansi Didi,
भूल गए.
you give CAF वो जो कैफ आवाज निकाल रहा था
हाँ
तो
बीट बॉक्सिंग ना,
वीडियो
वो
भेजे
भाग गया
थे।
बीच में से। आई नो, आई रिमेम्बर्ड, मुझे याद था, बट वो बीच मीटिंग से चला गया था, तो आई कुडंट आस्क हिम।
वो मेरे को वीडियो भेजना।
हाँ उसने आपको वीडियो भेजा बीट बॉक्सिंग का, तो टेल
नहीं,
हिम।
नहीं आप मेरे को भेजो ना।
आई विल आस्क कैफ। आपको बीट बॉक्सिंग का वीडियो चाहिए?
यस।
अच्छा, आई विल सेंड यू बीट बॉक्सिंग का वीडियो। ओके अमृता एंड राज, व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन?
Teacher, who teach grammar?
Who takes grammar? Payal miss will be taking grammar, English grammar. Okay, Amrita and Raj, stay. I want to talk to you, so you both of you stay. Misbah, you can leave. I will send you beatboxing ka video. Muskan, what's your question? Misbah, leave. Bye.
मिस जो मैंने आपको टेस्ट सबमिट किया है वो सबमिट हुआ है ना?
अगर आपने सबमिट पे क्लिक किया है तो मेरे को